Meet the 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT, the pinnacle of motorcycle touring excellence. Celebrating 50 years since the original Goldwing debuted in 1975, this model combines legendary smoothness, modern tech, and commemorative flair to take your riding experience to unprecedented heights. A legacy reborn. Under the hood lies an 1833 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine, hallmark of the Goldwing's refined power and torque. This updated powerplant is lighter than previous versions, shaving over 13 pounds off the standard model and more than 8 pounds on DCT trims. Whether paired with a 6-speed manual or 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, power delivery remains silky and potent. Mastering the ride. Handling is transformed by a double wishbone front suspension, a design that shifts the weight and allows both rider and engine to sit closer to the front wheel, elevating agility without sacrificing comfort. Behind, the ProArm single-side swing arm with ProLink shock ensures plush rear compliance. With a low center of gravity, balanced proportions, and intelligent ride modes, Tour, Sport, Rain, Econ, the GCT adapts to every road and rider mood. Touring in luxury. The GCT excels as a tour machine. Its trunk alone holds 61 liters, and when combined with saddlebags, it delivers expansive storage perfect for multi-day adventures. Heated grips, an adjustable electric windscreen, with memory, hill start assist, cruise control, and an advanced anti-lock braking system make for effortless, safe long-distance travel. Tech that connects. Inside, riders enjoy seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto replacing the older native navigation system. A smart key system lets you start and stop the ride swiftly, while an answer back function helps locate your bike in crowded spots. Celebrating 50 years. This 2025 edition pays homage to 5 decades of touring legend. Expect exclusive 50th anniversary graphics, a custom, since 1975, startup screen, and collector's items, a special hardbound book and a 1/12 scale tabletop model, offered with each anniversary model, while supplies last. Performance and dimensions. The GCT's seat height stands at a comfortable 29.3 inches, grounded by a sturdy 66.9-inch wheelbase for highway-stable touring. Fuel capacity clocks in at 5.5 gallons, ideal for long-range legs without constant refueling. Conclusion. In the 2025 Goldwing GCT, Honda fuses half a century of touring heritage with cutting-edge comfort, handling, and tech. Whether you opt for the intuitive DCT or the engaging manual, this flagship tourer rides into the future with grace, power, and style.